Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. I will teach you computer science of grade 6. Today we are going to start our chapter number 2, page number 18 to 21. Our chapter name is electronic mail. The topic that we are going to take today is introduction of email. In this session, I am going to teach you about electronic mail. These are objectives we will discuss in this lecture. First, we are going to discuss introduction to email, history of email, features of email, structure of an email, how to create an email account. So students, first of all, let me tell you about email. Email stands for electronic mail. So email or electronic mail is information stored on your computer that is exchanged between two users or telecommunication. Well, email is a method of sending and receiving messages from one computer to another computer. It is based on store and forward model. Email server can store, accept and forward message. More plainly, email is a message that may contain text, files, images or other attachments sent through a network to a specified individual or group of individuals. Well, email is the fastest way of communication and most common way of communication. Many organizations in these days avoid using papers. Even for sending any type of approval, they just used email. So paper is saved in a sense. It is an eco-friendly way of communication. Next one is history of email. Well, email started in 1965. ARPANET computer network made a large contribution to the development in email. Ray Tomlinson was the first person who sent a mail across the network. So students, email started in 1965 as a way for multiple users of a time sharing mainframe computer to communicate it by 1966. It was extended to become network email, allowing users to send messages from one computer to another computer. Ray Tomlinson was the first person who sent a mail across the network and initiated the user at the rate sign to separate the name of users and their machines in 1971. The ARPANET significantly increased the popularity of email. Move to next one is features of email. Email address is unique. Send and receive message. Send the same message to multiple recipient. Composes and reads message offline. Has an address book to save and retrieve email addresses. Create multiple folders to organize email. So, to use the email service on the internet, there are many email programs. You have to register your name or other identification detail with these programs. When you register on any email program, your account created on it. You receive an account email ID and a password. So here is some popular web-based email programs are www.hotmail.com, www.gmail.com, etc. Move to next one is parts of email message. Email messages consist of two major parts, header and second one is body. First of all, let me tell you about header. The header of the message is divided into fields such as sender, receiver, summary and other related information. The header section of email includes the following fields. First one is from, the email address and optionally the name of the sender will be shown in this section. Next one is to, the email address and optionally the name of the message recipient. The next one is subject, a brief heading of the content of the message is known as subject. Next one is date, the local time and date when the message was written. Next one is CC. CC stands for carbon copy. It helps to send the same message to several people at the same time. BCC. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. It also sends the same message to several others at the same time without letting them know that others have also been sent the same message. Now we will discuss second part of email message. So second part is body. What does body contain? It contains message and the closing part. The message can be formal message or it can be informal. Move to next. Now we will discuss how to create an email account. Well, to send and receive messages on the internet, you have to create an email account on any website. Let us study how to register for email ID in www.hotmail.com. To register in www.hotmail.com, follow the given steps. First one is open any web browser, for example, Microsoft Internet Explorer. Type the website address www.hotmail.com in the address bar and press enter key. The home page of the website appears. Second one is click on the sign up now hyperlink. Third one is the registration form appears. Fill the fields like your username, password, etc. to create an email account. The fourth step is click the I accept button to submit your form. If all the entries are filled correctly, your account is created. So I am sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully there will be no confusion. And one more important thing, I have a home task for you. Here are some questions. First one is define email. Second one is define CC. Third one is write down the names of some email programs. Fourth one is what is difference between CC and BCC. We already discussed BCC and CC in our lecture. What are the parts of email messages? How do you create an email account in any email program? So you will get all the answers of these questions from these lectures and you will solve these questions on your notebooks. So best of luck. That's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.